Welcome back, guys. Look what we got. The sound quality might not be as good today because my camera case broke that allows me to use a microphone, but what we got? Little old Kia Picanto. And have you seen this clutch cable when they snap? So I'm going to show you how to replace a clutch cable on one of these. You might enjoy it, you might not. If you do, hit that subscribe, follow, like, all that good stuff. And if you're a mechanic coming just to refresh that brain of yours, also hit that subscribe, it's free. Love yous. See you in a sec. Right, let's check this out, guys. Check it out. Guys, look. So if you see the clutch pedal, see it's all wonky donkey. It's not really doing anything, is it? But if you look, I don't know, see if I can get a picture of it. I don't know if I'll get it up the back there, maybe. Through the gap there, you can see it just through the gap there. So that's what hooks onto the top of the clutch pedal. I may have to pop the clutch pedal out anyway, and if I do, I'll show you it in a bit more depth, because yeah, somebody's telling me I'm probably going to have to anyway to hook the cable onto it, which is fine, and I'll show you exactly what goes on. But quite straightforward, so if you're a DIYer, you should be able to do this at home without much of an issue, and I'll show you how to adjust it. The cable that I've got, it's not exactly the same, but I couldn't get a genuine cable, which is a bit annoying, but hey ho, you got to work with what you got, I guess. And I apologise on the sound quality today, guys, because it's not going to be as good as it normally is, because I'm using the normal microphone on my camera, because like I said, bloody case is broke. I've only had it probably less than a year. I mean, you put the auxiliary jack into it, it's just died. So yeah, waiting on a new one. Let's go. Right, so there's your new cable. It's a bit of a strange one, because obviously it comes with a bit of an adapter there, you see that? Kind of got to hook it onto the bottom down here, because if you look down here, that cable, you can see it just down there? It's a little bit different. Because obviously the standard one, not much we can do about that, because this is literally the only cable I could find, third party, but it is what it is. Got to use what you got. So I'm going to show you how to get this off. So let me get the camera down there and I'll show you. So just down there, you'll be able to see there's basically a split pin. You need to take that split pin out, and then you can unhook it off of there. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to take this air box out. So this is going to come off, and then we can actually see quite a bit more then, because with that in the way you're not going to see a lot, are you? So let me take that off. Can you see that there, guys? Perfect little spot really, isn't it? So I've got a 10mm on here. See just here? 10mm. Oh, that was not very good, is it? Oh, we need a shorter one now, don't we? Try that again, guys. Use this one. That's about that. Let's go with this one. Use the short one. Do that. That's a bit better idea. So, and also you've got a couple of clips. Take these. Pop that off and get that one there, give it a pop, and one back here. Pop. That's nice. Give that a lift. A bit of a twist and a wiggle, and there you have it. That's, ooh, that's a bit grungy, isn't it? Look at that. I think it needs a bit of an air filter, guys. Look, bit of a difference. Look, clean, not clean. Tasty. Oh, so we stuck on. Right, what else is this stuck on now? Jeez, no, I can't think of what this is bloody stuck on now. The 10mm down there. Looks like just another 10mm down there. So I found one just down. See, follow this. You know where extension is? There you go. Right down there. Get the 10mm on that. Undo that. Not too bad, is it? Say. Come on out of there. Oh yeah. It's pretty nice, isn't it? What else are we on? Just want a bit of wriggle room, guys. This one's going to have to come off as well. From this one. You can see this ain't been apart in a long time. Okay. That's a bit of movement, isn't it? What else are we on? Can we split this one? Yes. There's another 10 down the back there. Yikes. Down the back here, there's another 10. Just everywhere, isn't it? Come on, baby, like my fire. There we go. That's what you're looking for. Little 10mm. See that? Did you get it? Did you get that one? See there? On that? That's what you need. Okay, so. Go on, get out of There we go, finally. That's a bit annoying, weren't it? So you've got to take that off as well. Take that pipe off as well. It's just a little bit annoying really, weren't it? So you've got that one there. Obviously these couple here, you probably get away with not doing those, but probably just easier. Right, now, let me show you. Now I can show you where we're at. So, here. So we've got, obviously this is the clutch cable here. It runs down to, obviously, right there. And then comes under here, under this pipe here. Runs down the back there, which you should be able to see. Where's my torch gone? There's some bolts on that there, it looks like. Yes, there's a bolt above it down there, if you can see that. If you can't see it, I'll try and put an arrow to it. And then there's the two bolts back here. There. Maybe. There's two bolts back there anyway. You're just going to have to believe me on it because I can't really show you very well, can I? So I'm going to disassemble this now and then I'll show you. That was a bit bloody annoying. Finally, it's off though, look. So, let's see if you can see this now. I ended up having to cut that. Now, I just slide, see there? You can see that in my hand? Slide it off now, which is nice. And that pretty much just pulls up. See here? Oh, if you don't catch it again, yeah. If you don't catch it, just pull the cable up now. See that? Just dropped the torch again, but there you have it. So that clip sits through there, but this is actually snapped on the other end. So now we need to follow it down. Obviously we've got this bracket here, which is trying to see where it bolts to. Does it bolt up? No, it doesn't bolt up. So actually just sits under here, so that must just push out. So that just pushes out like that. Pulls that out, and we follow it around. Let me get the torch back. So just remember, cable goes onto here, under this pipe here, onto there, and we can get action at it. So that's nice, isn't it? Alright guys, get yourselves one of these for this situation. A little 10mm ratchet spanner, be your best friend. I'm going to have to put yours here because I kind of can't really show you too much down the back, but again, I'll try and show you as much as I can, where I can. So I'm going to get this off now. Alright. Maybe I'm not using that after all, I'm lying to you. Get a 10mm on a ratchet. Okay. Alright. That's not very nice, is it? Absolutely started tipping it down. Like, not even a little bit. Check this out. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that very much, but holy guacamole, look at that. Rinsing it, mate. Rinsing it. That's crazy, isn't it? Come from all the sunshine to now. To be fair though, we did need a bit of rain though, so it's quite nice. And anyway, just talking about you mechanics that come here for a little bit of a refresher course, because you know, we all do it. Everybody does it. If you ain't hit that subscribe, it's free. And I need you. Hit that subscribe. You might enjoy my videos. It might remind you of a few things, or you might find a couple of tips that maybe you didn't even know, especially if you're just starting out. And again, this is one that you DIYers out there, just to let you know, you can do this. Have a go. What's the worst that happens? You mess it up and you call one of us out. Not the end of the world, is it, I suppose? Because I'm all for people DIYing things, because if you can save a few quid, more in the back pocket. Take your kids and your family on holiday, or maybe go see your grandparents. Who knows? Take them out for a nice meal. Anyway, let's carry on. Right, I've unbolted it now, so should be able to give this a bit of a tug somewhere. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that back there, but pull it off. Oh, you can see it moving. Yeah, there we go. See there? Look, there we go. Look, that's what we got. We'll drag this along our merry little way. Come on out of there, you sausage. There we go. There we have it. Well, that's nice, isn't it? But that's what's broken. See it? Someone told me to hold my hand behind it. Maybe you can see that better. Look at that. There we go. So basically, the end's broken on it there. So that needs to hook onto the pedal, which obviously it's not bloody doing, is it? So yeah, we're going to stick a new one on. So hopefully that cable is the same size as this cable. So let's find out. Yeah, I'd say that's about right. But you see here, the ends, look at the ends. So you see that's what it comes with, this one does. Which obviously needs to have one of these ends on. Stopper, it comes with the adapter here. But you see there, it just kind of slips in and locks on. So you see that there? That locks in like that. So I'm going to fit most of the cable up, push it through, get it onto the pedal, get it on its mounting points. And then we're going to see what that's like, because I don't know, man, is that going to hold it enough? And we're going to have to squeeze that, stop it coming out. I suppose once it's tightened up it should be okay, I guess. Alright, let's see what happens. But oh, you know what I am going to do? I'm going to get this kind of close as well, so you see here. So we've got obviously similar kind of threads there. So that's like that. That locks to there, so do you know what, we're just going to lock it, get it kind of close. That's the end of that, so that needs to come up here. See that there? Get it mildly close on its point. I'm going to say that's probably about good. There's a lot more thread on this new one though, so I'm not a big fan. But right, let's fit it up and I'll come right back to you. Oh look, we're back in the van again. That's good, isn't it? Yeah, chucking it down again. Yikes, Mike's really annoying. What a day. Look at that nonsense. This is crazy, man. Look, I know we needed rain, but did we need it this much? I need a break in the rain. 20 minutes. 20 minutes and I'll be done. Oh well, we needed a bit of rain for the earth. You know, God's peeing on us right now. It's been pretty dry. It's just ruining my day now. Ruining my day. But I'm sure you all appreciate this. I ain't brought my bloody wet gear as well, which is really annoying. I normally got my wet gear, I just throw my wets on, get on with it. But the problem is, because I'm recording this as well, you ain't going to see much if I've not got the camera out, I suppose, isn't it? Alright. This is really annoying, isn't it? There's a giant bloody puddle here now, look at that. Right where we're kneeling. That's not good, is it? Alright, okay. Let's see what room we've got here. I'll see if we can hook this onto the back of the pedal. I'm hoping I can. Hopefully that's focused and I can get this coming out. Goodness gracious me. Hopefully I can get that. Oh yes, we're on. Sweet. Oh, you can see that up there. That is hooked onto our pedal. That is a result. Okay. Right, so that's that done now. Put it all back together. Check it out. But if you want to adjust these clutches, so you see when you're down here, all you got to do is just twist that to where you want it. So you see the nut there? Just got to twist that to adjust it to how you want it basically. And it will go up, down, turn around. Obviously you want to have a little bit, see down here? Just that little bit of free play in it. Just so you're obviously not engaging the clutch straight away, because that little bit of free play there, that'll be that bit of travel, so as you press it in, job done. So yeah, check it out. I'll show you now. I'll show you that it moves. That's nice, isn't it? Right, so that's me and the little Kia out. That's all done. Happy days. Customer can carry on back down the road. Needs a bit of oil in it though, just checked it, it was really low. But anyway, if you did like that one, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you in the next one.